Made it by Hussein al-Jaloud for teacher Abdullah Safar. When you see a red light, red light, red light. When you see a red light, stop, stop, stop. When you see a yellow light, yellow light, yellow light. When you see a yellow light, wait, wait, wait. When you see a green light, green light, green light. When you see a green light, go, 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 go. Learn animals' names. It's the sheep. It's the cat. It's the pig. It's the dog. It's the dog. It's the cow. It's the tortoise. It's the hamster. It's the fish. It's the parrot. It's the rabbit. It's time to say goodbye.